Yes, who is that?
It's room service.
Oh, room service.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I brought your luggages
Oh. Bring it.
and I've sort them out.
Okay, that's all right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So you will enjoy this hotel.
Yes,
You will enjoy it.
The environment, the atmosphere, everything looks conducive.
Yes, very conducive. It's, in fact, we are the best when it comes to hotels like this. We give the best service.
Right. All right, no problem. Okay, man.
Are you not forgetting something?
Oh, I see.
Yes.
It's all right.
Anything at
Guys, you guys are.
God have
you
mercy
guys.
upon us.
anything. Thank
It's
you.
all right. It's all right. Okay. now.
But sorry, it's like the banner outside women conference. It seems that you people are the one organizing it.
Yes. Oh, yes. I'm actually the speaker
Wow.
for the women program.
It will be nice, though. It will be nice. Okay, no problem. I don't know, but I'm looking at the way things are. This place will be engulfed with women.
No. We don't do that here.
But it's women conference now.
Yes, but it's strictly business. We go straight to business. Women conference, business seminar is strictly business.
Okay.
It's not for that kind of atmosphere.
Okay. Because we used to have this kind of conferences here, and we know things that happen. So I thought this one is.
No, this one is different.
Okay.
It's different.
So can I bring you the drink that you ordered for?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, get it.
Okay, I'll get it.
Okay.
Yes, I've brought it, sir. The drink.
Okay. Wow, this is good.
Yes.
Very chilled too.
Yes.
Nice.
You will enjoy it. This is a 9.2 star hotel. Everything is on point.
Wow.
International standard.
Nice.
Even the fridge, international.
Okay. So how much do you guys sell it here?
Okay, it's very cheap. It's 5.5. It's 5.5. Yes.
550 naira.
No, 5,500.
For what?
That's the price.
For ordinary Fanta?
Yes. It's 9.2 star hotel.
Wait, let me. What is the difference between this Fanta and the one they sell by the roadside?
It's the 9.2 star, sir.
You be mumu.
You are not serious. My friend, take this drink.
No, there's no need though. That's already entered your bill.
I cannot accept this drink now. How will I buy Fanta 5,500? For what?
There's no need. But don't worry, we'll compensate you.
What are you talking about? Compensate me for 5,500 for which drink that I can get for 500 naira? You are telling my friend?
Don't worry, sir. You need to calm down. You are the keynote speaker of this women conference.
What has that got to do with this?
That's why you need to calm down. I have something that will calm you down.
Oh my God.
Yes.
What are you talking about? What will calm me down? Are you going to reduce the price?
No, it's not the price. I have something else that is better than the drink, sir. You will like it. By the time I give you now, you'll be happy. We have some range of young people, ladies that can massage. The job you came to do is a very serious job of international impact. So you need to give your best. Yes. So we have somebody that can massage you, massage your voice, your throat, and other things. And the AC is too cold. It will be disaster.
Jesus.
To sleep alone in this. Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes. So we have them.
Okay.
Depending on how you want it.
Okay.
I want to know your thing. Do you like them
God have mercy
slim,
upon us.
like broomstick? If you want that one, like those ones like broom, or you want the ones that have front?
Let's start with what? How much now?
Okay. Those broom, we import them from abroad.
Will you keep
So,
quiet?
yes. By the time they finish with you, you will know that something happened to you.
Child.
It's 75,000 for the sling.
75,000.
Yes. Those ones, they can even throw baki on your body.
The whole 75,000. Am I buying a cow?
That's, we import them. This is a 9.2.
No. In fact, I don't even want someone that slim because I don't want someone's child to come and die on my hand.
Oh my God.
Find another
They are very strong. Oh. You can bend. You can bend them like a bone and arrow.
No.
They last.
I want someone that is.
Okay. You want the ones that have front.
You don't want?
How much for that one?
It's 130, sir.
130.
Yes, 130.
Why are you increasing the price?
No,
I thought you should be bringing it down.
No, it's the equipment.
It's okay.
It's the equipment.
It's okay. What of the one that has the
back?
Yes.
Okay. That one is 156.
Not be juju be that.
156.
Wait, is it not to just buy plot of land?
Well, you have to consider the job you want to come and do. You understand? This job is not a small job. So you need to prepare very well. That is why we have all this thing. By the time we import them now, we pay immigration fee, we pay VAT, and all these things. It's part of the charge. And by the time they come now, you see. You will enjoy this hotel.
It's okay. It's okay. What of the one that has boots?
Okay, sir. I when I look at you very well, I know that you are that kind of man. You are that kind of man. You sabi better thing. That one is 275, sir.
275.
Yes. This one, in fact, is they add jara to whatever they want to do. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
275.
Well, the price for that particular one is not too bad.
You they use
So,
Okay.
get the person for me.
Which one? The one with front and back?
Yes, that has everything. I like complete package.
Okay, that's good. Just that you add small thing now.
I don't understand. Adding small things.
This work is a very tedious work. By the time we begin to put all the application and then send one or
God
two,
have mercy upon us.
we have to pay matching grant and all those things.
May God
Also,
not allow them.
Is it not human being? Is it a parcel?
this world is a global village. We have to arrange everything. So you just put small thing. I've settled boys on the road. Though.
You don't know now.
And then this thing that will transport it. That will transport her. We also settle all those ones, so we just add 50,000 on top.
See,
It's not as if, I have nothing inside though. 5 naira I don't have. Like, it's not coming to my pocket. 5 naira.
it's okay.
I'm just doing, when I saw you, I know that you're a big man. And tomorrow you can even give me a job and leave this place. That's why I'm doing all this.
It's okay.
It is smoky.
So just get the person for me. Then when you get the person, I'll give you the money. You take transfer, right?
No. It's pay on cash.
I said get
Before
the
delivery.
person and I will pay you the money.
No. We will settle people. As I'm going down now, the settlement starts. So you pay now. I go. I deliver.
Okay, it's okay. Let's say, how much do I give you to?
Okay, just the total money. Okay, you just give me half. Half.
And that is how much?
250.
I don't understand. 250.
So that there will be no obstruction. Just give me half. You keep the other half.
I don't think you are serious. I don't think
Keep the other half. After the job.
I can't give you 250. What for?
Apostle, we hear of this.
We pay a lot of listen. We pay a lot of fees.
No.
Even road safety.
Will you keep quiet?
Have share inside.
No. Wait, are you doing human trafficking?
No, it's not human trafficking. No. This one is pure business. We are registered with the government. This is pure business. It's not human trafficking. Tofiakwa, God forbid.
What?
No, the 250 is too much. I can't give you that amount.
Okay, you know what? Let me cut it down 30%.
How many times
You
will
give
they
us
tell you?
30% of the complete money. The complete money is 305,000.
You they use your
So,
generation to play.
You give us this. No, okay, I'm even removing this thing. The complete money is not 305. It's 325. I think so. If I press my calculator now, we know the exact price. 275 plus 50,000. That is 325,000. So you just give us 30%.
And that is how much now?
245.
It's still too big. I can't give you that amount. I don't think you are serious. So it seems you don't want. See, I can comfortably stay here. I'm just trying to, because of customers, I'm trying to see how I can patronize you.
I really, I'm really, I have sympathy for you. The AC here will finish, is a 9.2 star hotel. So everything here is international standard. The AC here, and Russia, rainy season is the same. It's the same. So if you stay alone here, you may not make it before tomorrow. So it's good that in fact, I'll even add one that I have front and back, and I'll add Jara, one that I have only back. So that one on your right hand side, like one on the left hand side, like when Jesus was on the cross with the two thieves.
You'll be mumu.
So they will escort you to heaven.
It is still too big, no matter how you paint it. Tell me something that I can relate with. Yeah?
Okay, sir. Let's not argue again. Bring 230.
230? No. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
See, this thing will help you. Hello, sir. Okay. Hello, sir. Okay, bring 100. 100. I'll add 2 Jara on top. Hello, sir. This customer. Okay. Can you bring 50? Hello, sir. Hello. 50. 50K. This guy need to answer me. Oh, I'm not going to just lose like that. Okay, sir. Just give me 2,000. 2,000.
Jesus is Lord.
2,000, sir.
Man, they never leave.
Hello, sir. This guy wicked though. I could go finish him for there. I could go finish him. Ordinary 2,000. I don't even know why some people do like this, sir. Oh, let me fuck up. I for just tell them 10,000. No. I don't mess up.
I can still hear you.
Oh. Sorry, sir. Okay, sir, 1,000.